uh, uh, under the days now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita, and I am so thrilled to have you here today. So today I am going to be showing you my alternative shampoo, Bentonite clay. I'm going to be showing you how I mix it and how I apply it to my hair. So if you want to see that, stick around and go nowhere. Yeah, so I usually get this in a pack and I turn it into a container, but as you can see, I'm running out. So I just eyeball this. I do not measure. I eyeball this, put it in a bowl, and then I add some apple cider vinegar to this bad boy, and I add some water. Give it a good mix. You really want to mix it, make it smooth so that there are no lumps in it before you apply it to your hair. So when I'm done mixing, this is what it looks like, smooth and ready to go. So for the application, all I do is section my hair. This can be really messy, so you want to take note of that. I section my hair and then I apply some water, make my hair damp before applying the mixture to my hair. So while I'm at this, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Check out my other videos and remember to drop your girl a comment. Okay? Mm-mm. Ah, yeah, like I said, really messy. While I apply, I like to also concentrate on my scalp just so I get the full benefits of the mixture. So I'll just go ahead and keep doing that until I have covered every single strand of hair on my head. Now, quickly, let me run through the benefits of bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is negatively charged and it attracts positively charged things and products. That means it can attract all the products build up on your hair, and when you rinse it out, it goes out with the bentonite clay. So it serves as a clarifier and detoxifier. It removes impurities and heavy metals, chemicals, and all the bad boys that can inhibit hair growth and hair health. Now, it is also antimicrobial, which means it helps to soothe irritated or flaky scalp. It can stimulate hair growth. It softens, reduces frizz, and conditions the hair. It also makes the coils pop. Oh, bad boy. It defines your curl pattern and it adds shine to the hair. So it is a must try. Like I earlier said, it is an alternative to shampoo because it is clarifying. It can um cleanse out your hair. Like if you come across people that are all natural when it comes to their hair, they use bentonite clay instead of shampoos. Yeah, but I just like to balance it out. So sometimes I use bentonite clay and other times I use my shampoo. Mm-hmm. And though I'm trying to reduce my use of store-bought products, I'm looking for another alternative to bentonite clay. You know what I'm saying? So I get to like shampoo maybe once in 2 months, if that is even possible. Because you do not want to overdo anything, like anything at all. So Now to apple cider vinegar, which is another ingredient in this mixture. The benefits of apple cider vinegar includes it has a low pH, so it balances the hair's pH. This is absolutely good for people who have scalp issues or high pH. It just balances the pH out, making your scalp healthy. It restores dull, brittle, and frizzy hair. It has a lot of antimicrobial properties, so it disinfects and controls bacterial growth, fungal growth, and all of that, and it just helps fight any scalp related problems or infections that one might have. It is also a great soother for itchy scalp. It contains vitamins and minerals, and it helps fight dandruff and inflammation. So yeah, you need to incorporate this into your routine if you can. What I do other times is I mix it with my shampoo on a normal. So you want to try that as well, or just use it as a spritz when you want to moisturize your hair. That means you mix it with some water and then use it as a spritz or a hair rinse. Now, just like every other thing, do not overdo it. Okay, keep your hair healthy, but don't overdo it. As usual, you know how we do it. Okay, so now that I am done with this bad boy, this is what my hair looks like. Yeah, can you see my tiny little coils pop? Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, have you noticed that my hair has this like love shape from behind? Crazy, huh? All right. So Bentonite clay is also fabulous for the face. So I threw on the remaining mix on my face. It is good for reducing your facial pores and of course exfoliating your skin. So feel free to give that a trial as well. Yeah, I was trying to laugh here. Like I really just wanted to laugh, but I couldn't because of the clay on my face. And it was so fun shooting this video, I swear. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, and of course click that subscribe icon if you haven't. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. Thanks guys, see you in my next video. I remember Ralph, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.